do a little short and quick Fashion Nova haul with you. I wore a piece out of this package already, and hence where the bag is open. And as I tell you all the time, I'm not getting my things them. I don't know what them look like, and just sit down with them and just behave like, okay, I'm gonna wait for that special moment to arrive when I decide to go through the package. Literally, nope. May I put them as I get them. So my birthday is coming up, and I decided let's just order a few little, like not a few, but like some stuff, because I have some I have a Shein one I'm going to do as well. Let's order some stuff that we can kind of use for the birthday coming up, because sometimes I order, it's like I have a plan for what I'm ordering, and then the next time I don't have a plan for it. So I'm like, listen, let's see what this I can do. Let's see how it's gonna wear clothes. So I'm not gonna make sense to them, but as I said, I ordered a few stuff with just like how I'm going to wear them in mind. Alright, the lamp in the back of show, using as a stuff for the video. I'm in my bedroom. Yeah, I know you guys are due a room tour, but honestly, like my room of all of this stuff, them like not my room is 95% finished. Like I went and bought so many stuff, I'm still not pleased. Like me, I said it need this, it still short this. Some of the time wait for that time there to just feel like it complete. You understand? Yeah. So let's get into the haul, Fashion Nova haul. So this is a pants that I purchased. Initially it came in this bag right here, in this Fashion Nova bag. Alright, guys, I tried the pants. And the zipper stuck. The zip stuck. So I tried, and from it tried, the zip not working out, but it designed on the screen. What you call them, foot pants here, like with the foot being extremely wide or whatever. What you call these pants, guys? I'll try to fit it on the screen. It's a size 11. Y'all something. I bought it when Fashion Nova had 50% off. You guys remember the last Shein all that I did, where I said I bought the size 11 pants, and it's like 11 on me now work again. So literally me and Elisa have a problem. Look like me now have no earline shoe, because the ear pull up. Lord God, it's not pulling out. It's the last 1 month. You have 1 more week to go. Yeah. So it says set me free ripped straight leg jeans. Alright, size 11 from Fashion Nova. So see here? Yep. That the yellow top, I wore it to wash it, and that's it. You're not even what I got to pick. I can put a picture in here. I had some more stuff, but the order was split between me and my mom, and she took her half, so that's okay. I got this top. This top was about $3. I said they had 50% off. It's a Julia One shoulder tank top, white in size large. So with a Fashion Nova, I can definitely go a large. With Fashion Nova, definitely. So it's worn like this, or if you see yourself wearing it like this, but I know it'll work for you, like this. So it, you know, so this would definitely be like a crop top kind of underneath type of vibe, or off a bra. Yeah, and this is the back. Okay, I'm seeing that the front wasn't showing so nice. Let me. Alright, so that's it, and it's a size large Fashion Nova. I also got this dress from Fashion Nova. It's on the wrong side because I tried it already. Size or 15 hour view. Alright, hard hips, large. That's a brand that Fashion Nova sells to as well. It's what do you call it? Tie side fitted dress. It sucks onto your, hugs your body. So if you know you have heavy belly or heavy circles or anything popping out, you gotta got the waist shaper on, the body shaper on, to make sure it's that you don't look like a barrel going through in this frock. Okay? So yeah, it's like nude. Let's see what Fashion Nova calls this. Where's the tag? There's no tag. Let's see the tag. I like to put the picture of the model on the side though. So yeah, this is it. Alright, size large, and I have this other top. I didn't even bother to pull this, so I'm pulling it now for the first time. Alright, so my mom got some of these tops too. Pretty sure she can't go wear them, you know. Mother wants to be in the young girl type of style. Yeah. So this is like what do we call it now? Alter back. So it's a tank top, alter back type of vibe. So it's like this. It has the bra section, like your bust section stuff in there, and then you have the card for your neck. All right, this is Hidden Ruched outer back size green. So yep, Fashion Nova size large. So as I said before, I'm like a large for Fashion Nova. Straight through, straight through. Large for all my tops. If I go large, I'm like, if I go extra large for Fashion Nova, on the top it's like either gonna be oversized or yeah. If I don't understand with Shein how my sizing kind of fit the way there, so I don't know. Yeah, so I was hoping to pair like probably the pants with like this top. So I'm not sure. Kind of for I'm not even sure I'm going to do for my birthday. Birthday is coming up, and I'm just not sure. I'm literally not sure what I'm going to do because ranting here. Exchange rate has become so high, guys, which is making resort excursions really high over here to afford. So like if I am not paying in US currency, it's like it has me thinking, wondering, like saving, all of those stuff. And can I tell you, you guys remember me to tell us that everything is getting hard, you know. Remember to I used to go to hotels for free with my mother's points. Listen, NCB don't do that anymore. So that luxury kind of cut out for me, cut out from my boyfriend, cut out from my mother, cut out for everybody. NCB cut out the Lovebird key card points where you got hotels for free after you spend the point. Because it literally be like, I would say free, because remember, so you know, enough time you spend your money and you don't always get back points, right? So NCB cut it out and started to offer like credit card. If you're earning in US over, I think it's how much them say 2,500 US, then you get the travel points. Who is paying anybody out here in US? 2,500, like what? So you have to be earning that amount to get the travel points. So your girl, thank God me got a lot of high class hotel under the points. So thank God for my mother. Thank God for NCD then. But for now, I mean, everything is like them cut that out, then start at taxes from whatever we spend with car, money off our card, like our money we have to pay tax, but our old money. No sir. What or something. So that not happen again. So that's why resort travel kind of cut them over from my channel, because whenever that I'd say me not always pay for hotel, we go free all the time. 90% of the time we used to go free. Now that it's not free, oh my god. The last time we went to a hotel that we paid was when it was Odin's birthday, when we went to Eden's Bay or Ocean Eden's Bay, Ocean or Cora, Ocean Cora, Eden's Bay, whatever, the other side, so whatever. It was literally $100,000 we spent for the 2 nights. How much, mister? 100, and that was one of the cheapest hotels to go in at the time. Only sick, like only all over the place. Like that was like one of the cheapest luxury hotel at the time. Like for your birthday, nobody really wanted to go to Holiday Inn and them place there. Like they make a cheap local hotel. They were just it's just a one-off thing. So the last time for the birthday for Odin, it was a $100,000. So his birthday worked out to be like 150, because that include everything else, and $150 is not even a month paycheck out here in Jamaica. So what do I go? Like, yeah, and you know you take out your bills then. So half of my birthday is planned already, but the next half I'm trying to make it happen, and it will happen because last year we never got no hotel, we just got party. So we need to get that ball rolling. I'm really hope some discount nice hotel pop up soon. The other day me kind of make the pricing kind of go up because I saw a hotel there that was in a good price range. We never get to reserve it. I was too lazy to go grab my card. Every day I say I do it. Now it's out of budget. It's out of budget fully completely. So I'm gonna hope there's something pop up, something that's in the budget. So I mean, Fashion Over all turned into a little chit chat with you guys, but you don't know me how to talk reality. Reality is what's popping over here. Honestly, the world of a luxury life kind of cut out of it. It kind of cut out of it, like, yeah. So reality is what's popping over here. And if you aren't here for reality, then you gotta take a real check with the channel that you're on, because we're talking real finances, reality, life, and everything what's popping right now. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'll catch you in the next clip. Alright, that's it for the try on all and everything else. Y'all understand? So yeah. Okay, alright. Miss Mufasa, I call it Mufasa. Miss Mufasa started the vlog here. Come ahead, people, in your hot like fire. But I'm not do the vlog the whole time this week, and I want to do a little quick day in the life. I want a quick vlog for you, getting to something out there. Actually running to the supermarket. So if you're new, please go ahead to like, share, subscribe, hit the post notification bell. It's so hot, yet still rain I come down. So I want to go to the market before the rain starts. And the reason why I'm here look like this is because for the whole time I've been wearing it, and one time I wear it down to school, ever since it has been up. But we just redid the back, me and Odin, because the back was looking terrible. So supermarket, then I want to see if I get any fruits on the way coming back. So that's the plan, okay? Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm in this mini supermarket. I need oh, 1 second. Tissue. Yeah. I need a tissue. Which one is this one? I need Alright, so I got a stocking for work tomorrow. Bought a plantain. Come out the man give me this half it's one large. I never pick it myself. I got a pack of salt. I got a pal soap wash plate. I bought oranges. That's fruit for work. I was gonna buy pine, but through the pineapple peel, I'm not bother. I'm not this year. Alright, hey guys, welcome, what's up, welcome back to another vlog, another video. How y'all out there doing? So today I decided that I want to just kind of give you guys a little skin routine, like a little routine that I've been trying ever since I did my facial. And is my face doing any better? I should think so. It is doing better, and not me having the ring light on my phone and it is just slowly dying after I charge it and put it down. So we kind of look a little darker. However, I'm gonna show you the routine. This is my Clean and Clear Deep Action Sensitive Skin Cleaner. I use my Biore. This is a charcoal cleansing micellar water, and I use my Studio 35 Beauty oil free, which is a toner cleanser, and I also use my hair soap. The box looks terrible, but yeah. So what I would normally do is to pour it out in my hand. Let me struggle in here. Just lather it all over my face, and sometimes I use warm water to kind of carry out this process, because warm water is kind of good for any bacteria or anything like that. So not all the time though, because warm water should be running up my pipe, but it's not. Ask my landlord why, but I don't know. So sometimes you just have to boil the water and get it going. I also put it on my neck too, you know. At the end of the day, you want your neck and your face and everything to look together and nice. So then I go in with this brush cleanser that I have. What is it called? I don't know, it's a cleansing brush. I bought it from Amazon. I think I did it in a video, I don't remember. And I just use it to kind of more in my skin, move it around in circular motion, and just not even my lips there sometimes. Then after doing so, if I'm going to take a shower, then I go take a shower, and while I'm doing the shower, then I will kind of use my pear soap in the shower. So see that I'm going to actually take a shower, I'm going to put on my thing to cover my head, and then we are going to take that shower, wash it off in the shower, and use the pear soap. What a struggle. Hold on there. I have to make it work, you know. I don't know why I don't like to put up my ring light, but it's just a lazy habit of me, honestly. And we don't know better lighting, better quality, but lazy, like, yeah. So I'll take the shower there and use my pear soap. As I said, I use a half of it, but this is my half. And we'll go shower, wash off this, use the pear soap, and then we'll continue the routine. Alright? Okay guys, so I am out of the shower and I am going to pat dry my face with paper towel. If it's one thing that I would have learned from YouTubers, other YouTubers, is how to take care of yourself even better. I must give the prop to that. And what I learned, I think I mentioned this like many vlogs ago, but I don't use my regular face rag on my face. I use paper towel. I think your face, which that is proven, it depends on your body type too, but my face is more delicate than any other part of my body, like the outside areas. So I don't use my body rag, like, you know, everything, just what I take a shower with for the rest of my body. I don't use it on my face. I use paper towel. And this is the step right after I use the hair soap. So and I am pat dry my face. As I said, I pat dry, I don't really wipe it. I don't know why, you know. Then again, so when we wipe like the fuzz from the paper towel stays on my face, so I just like literally pat dry it, and I go in with my witch hazel. I don't also always use a beer. I use it now and then. My witch hazel is a daily one, so I will use the witch hazel for today. Currently my face feels so good, and I'm gonna use the witch hazel and then show on like just the updates ever since I did the facial, what my face looking like now. So I will get a cotton and just damp it with the witch hazel and use it on my face. And that's literally it for me and the face routine. That's literally it. So update on the face, what the face is looking like currently. Still in the healing process. Still looks way better. Still looks way better. Way better ever since I did the facial. Yeah, so that's the skin routine that I have for you guys. So yeah, so guys, it's Sunday and I'm in the kitchen. Chicken well seasoned up and marinate. Now it's time to cook it. Just put on the rice in the rice cooker. Don't have my rice cooker because it broke. This is the way I use this. So yeah, what's on your menu? Could Oreo in our mouth? Boy, what's on your menu for today, Sunday? Wanna go and cook? Literally going to do the chicken like you gotta like, fry it, but not fry it, then cook it on. Not gonna put no egg or no flour. Just gonna put it in the oil, make it catch color, then cook it down. Yeah, with rice and peas and some veggies. So that's the plan for today. I'm just a feast by like Oreo, guys. Boy, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. My face feels so good because it's the same day I did the face thing and everything, the little skin routine. Face just feel cool and nice and coming out real good. So the pot running hot. I'm gonna want it burn up. So let's get right into the cooking. So the first thing I'm gonna add some oil. Turn on this. Are you a late cooker or are you an early cooker on Sunday? I wanna cook on Sunday. Boy, it's a habit to have the habit to and dash way. Late, no matter how everything seasoned up for early. Late cooking. And you have to cut out my eggs. That's why my gut now got up grow. Right? I have to cut it out. Everybody now gonna stop grow, people. It now gonna stop grow. And all of them junk here. Got Yeah. I want to tell you, say, if you see one big old black spot or anything up on my face, now the oil splash up and burn me. Watch out. See that little red spot right there? Now see the oil splash up and burn me right in my face. Watch out. See that? What if it's something? I like to put it on the finish crafts. I believe so. When you're done, you're tired, everything, all of them excitement, then you can't bother with it. Anyhow, that's it. Right there. Not using all of the meat. I'm going to put some of it in this bag because this is like an entire chicken, and we just season everything and then put away the rest for down in the week, because when we come in, just to thaw chicken and do all of that, it takes a long time. The oil do that, we're going to clean it up. So you just come, light the stove, put your chicken in the pot with a little ice, that not do nothing. It make everything easier and life faster. So yeah. So we can do this. And yeah. Me trying to cool the bun with one ice. My God. What's on? May I see the rice and so? See that? I'm open and make what left on mark on my face. My God. So I got the coconut water for the rice cooker. That's so sugars. All the rice. Okay, I'm gonna have to go. Something like that. Turn in the meat, guys. When is the fire is too high? This will be good. Yeah. Ow! Babe. Let me pour it in now. Now cook so. I can't eat. You know, I'm going to say I can't eat. Huh? Ow! I'm not the only one that uses sugar in her rice and peas. I season my rice and peas water. Well, my rice in there. Season my peas water with sugar, salt, butter, and scallion and thyme. So I'm gonna add the sugar. Yeah. So I just add water on the peas that I had, and I'm going to pour it in the pot. I cannot eat from the pot. From the can to earth about me again. Alright, so on Sundays I use this rice. It's parboiled long grain rice. I do not use this rice for white rice. I do like parboiled rice. And then you know, I don't know how I eat it on the Sundays rice and peas. I guess because of the peas and everything. But other than that, can't eat it regular. Regular is either have to be jasmine rice or basmati. So yeah, so I did went ahead and add the rice. and you know, I washed it and everything already. So that's the update right now. Have the scallion, it has the the thyme. Only thing in the oven there. Why pot bun me? Why me rest my finger? Why me I do this? The bun inside one. I had some onions to it too as well. One thing I didn't have is any pepper, because the pepper them are spoiled, so they can't be put in it because part of it is cut off and it'll be too hot. So yeah. Okay guys, so I am going to add my seasons to the pot. This has onion. Oh my god, my eyes are burning. My eye them about me. The onion them and my eye them go up. Like, can I have a sad song here for these onion that is being cut in the room? Yo, I'm gonna like cook on Sunday. Okay, so let's add this to the alright, cooking down nicely, and I'm going to add the sauce to it now. Alright guys, so I added the sauce and that's the wrap for the chicken, just leaving it to finish cook, and then yeah. Ooh, look at that. Alright, we'll add. Okay, the rice. Alright, so that's the rice. And the rice cooker fly. It's a mess, but don't worry, I'll clean up after. Yeah. Alright guys, so now just a chill. And I watch like a show on Netflix. Me and babe. So dinner is about finished, and Odion need to make the plum juice. So that is what we plan Odion to make the plum juice. Will that be soon, Odion? When, next year? Eh? I may have Odion here to come to. So, hi guys, today is a Monday and I'm just continuing the vlog. We're actually heading home. I am so hungry. Let me just put that in there. I'm hungry, and but I contemplate if I will get something to eat. I'm hungry, but like I don't know if I can hold it out to go. I'm not lying. So yeah, we're actually approaching White River, and after White River then we'll be in Ocherius. So you know, once we reach White River too, we will be exiting the parish of St. Mary. So White River is going to be down here, see the sign there, and welcome to St. Anne. The rafting at me down there, so yeah.
See? You don't take receipt picture. You take receipt car.
Oh, if you come
to go
across.
Yeah.
So, I'm look dark. Hungry, I see? That's all. Just said to me, say, you can't go pack afternoon snack. Eve going home snack. Can we pack break, lunch? We need afternoon snack. We come with breakfast, and then I have break, lunch. I need evening snack. I'm hungry. I'm hungry about it. So yeah, that is what's up. Week 3 of back to school. What's popping with you all out there? What's popping? Let me know what's popping down in the comment section. Who is looking forward to the holiday that's coming up in October? I mean, we just come from summer and then we can't wait for the next holiday to come. The next holiday is that go on.
Teachers alone, not teachers alone.
Eh?
I'm not teachers alone.
Do what?
Everybody can be holiday.
For the next holiday in October. No, but guess what? Everybody else who work, them not get holiday. We get the, we would get the 3 days.
No matter how we
Oh, we don't get 3 days, we get 2 days because after there's this mandatory. Well, they can't take the day if you know. finna go the what do you call it? We not go to the workshop. Because them think them slick, you know, them give 3 days, them have 3 days holiday, and for the teachers have to go a workshop for 1 day, so you end up only get 2 days.
Basically come like a weekend.
Yeah. You get Friday, you get Saturday, Sunday, and the Monday for Labor Day weekend. And Labor Day, right?
Labor Day, no me, baby.
No, when Heroes, yeah. So, yeah. And the best month, October, will be rolling in. Is it next week?
No, the other week.
Huh?
The other week.
My birthday. Next week, you know? Check the calendar. The first is 1 day next week. Let me check it.
Done, sir.
The best month starts next week, Saturday.
Done.
October. My birthday. My birthday. Oh God. I reached quarter century. Yo, 25. Wow. My 25 birthday, people, I want to see him. I want to see him for my 25 birthday. I want to see him. I feel like, you know, like reaching quarter century. I feel like it's 25 years on earth. I like it's a big accomplishment to live for 25 years. Most people don't live for not even half of it. Like, you know, a lot of children out there dying now. So for me reach 25, I have a car, I have a job, I have a man.
29 minutes after 4 o'clock.
Accomplishment. I got some people don't say man accomplishment. Wow, everybody accomplishment different. Lord God, it up here with the vibe. Well, I'm hungry still. New place I build, I know I don't know what this. Then keep on see a mall and this a mall I make from what pickle fill up and the can done. Can done. Woo! Frighten me now. I never see dog. At least you spare him. Enough people that spare the dog them. Boy. Now let me there now me I say more one famous boy. Me hungry now. Me hungry bad. I'm hungry man. Boy. Let's see. Let me eat in the famous bowl and that's what is up. Okay? Hungry bad. Hungry. Alright, so reaching out Otrius now. Reaching out Otrius. I'm gonna make a little stop. Then honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna go to KFC because I'm hungry. I'm gonna buy one famous bowl. The cheapest thing. A famous bowl cheaper than one chicken box. Well, I wonder. Hold on. The 16th of September was supposed to be no KFC day. Did that happen?
Nope.
Huh? When was the 16th again? Friday? I forgot to look if KFC was empty. I forgot. Did you carry out the no KFC day on the 16th?
Jamaican.
Remember now, you know, people, KFC are raised by $200. $150, like them the big money there, and them only drop off $5 go top, but CB chicken take off $12 and them drop off $5. Them can't do way better one them I do. So I hope you guys supported the no KFC day on Friday. I definitely did because me never buy no KFC and we don't really buy KFC. Babe sick, you have the flu. That's why I have a mask. You wear mask today. Yep. So I hope you guys supported the no KFC day. Okay? I'm gonna try to get the cheapest thing there. I wanted a KFC because KFC is going to be hot and the chicken box will be more filling than anything else. The chicken box or the what name? Let me see my bag. The famous bowl. So yeah. It's a rest from my mind. I know it's just rest from my mind. If you're out there, somewhere feeling lonely, you're not the only one. What's the talking road? You're not the only one. If you're out there, somewhere feeling lonely, you're not the only one. You're not the only one. this song gets rest from my mind, man. You know? I'm not lie, what's not lie? If you're out there feel lonely, people, you're not the only one. Right now, I know I'm hungry, and I'm not the only one. I am not the only one. Yeah. So if you're out there, somewhere feeling lonely, you're not the only one. You're not the only one. I'm going to the supermarket and come back. Yep. Guys, I'm gonna go to KFC. Let me take a remember. Left my card. I left my card. And that's good because I'm not going to spend the money over KFC. I'm hungry. I'm going to go find something to eat. At least I'm not get KFC and my money. And have my money. Why? Anyways, we're heading home. I'm hoping to go home to snack on something before my eat dinner because we're not feeling to dinner right now. But I should eat something like something I always eat. So yeah, that's about it. Hungry? That's about it for this vlog. I mean, this vlog has been going on since yesterday, so I'll see you in the next vlog. I can't wait to start vlogging some different content. Oh my god, I want to go back to all those content that I used to do. Oh my god, I can't wait. When is that ever going to be? I don't know. Yeah, but big up yourself until the next